This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Anjali Nesser. No application fees. With no neighbor to your left, you'll love living in this custom-built, eco-smart Kansas floor plan. Situated right next to the preserve, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,724 square feet, plenty of space for entertaining or growing your family. The large kitchen features a center island, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a full-sized pantry, perfect for all your culinary adventures. The great room opens to a covered patio where you can relax and enjoy beautiful Florida evenings. The master suite boasts double sinks, a garden tub, and an enormous walk-in closet, ideal for any fashion lover. Along with 3 additional bedrooms, the Kansas plan includes a versatile flex room, perfect for an office or playroom. Located near I-75, just south of Tampa, in the family-friendly community of Triple Creek, you'll enjoy amenities like nature trails, a community pool, playgrounds, and a basketball court. Act fast, this home won't last long. For more information,